Stepping into the era of the Industrial Revolution, FPC Electronic Division introduces optimization solutions aimed to accelerate digital transformation in fields including anomaly prediction, production processes, and other manufacturing-related control systems. From IoT to 5G, our division is committed to practicing state-of-the-art technology to support customers into smart manufacturing and embrace the future with AI. Dynamic facial recognition. We employ dynamic facial recognition for personnel access control, integrating mask detection and temperature measurement functions to enhance the security of access management. Formosa e-commerce, a fully digitalized and integrated platform, helps to increase productivity, efficiency, and performance levels in the production and marketing process, which further enhances customer experience and satisfaction to optimize the order-to-ship (OTS) process. AI production scheduling models guarantee optimized outcomes through automatic calculations based on customizable criteria, including order fulfillment rates, costs, resource allocation, product changeover rates, and more. Distributed Control System, DCS, integrates various automation systems to provide comprehensive solutions for factory management, operational control, and process optimization. Real-Time Production Monitoring System, RTPMS. Upgraded RTPMS eliminates the ASP.NET framework and implements the CI/CD mechanism, which improves development efficiency and gives more flexibility in customization. Process optimization. Through pinpointing the disturbance signs and analysis of production data to achieve early fault detection and diagnosis. Quality Prediction Dashboard. Quality Prediction Dashboard combines AI algorithms, data visualization, and real-time data to enable easy monitoring of production, quality, and inspection processes with low-code and no-code. AOI Meter Value Recognition. Using AOI and AI recognition technology to replace manual inspection achieves consistent and accurate meter readings, minimizing errors and accident occurrence. AOI Flow of liquid in pipelines. AOI replace high-risk sampling operations. DCS Digital Boardroom. Automatically monitoring equipment condition data with push notification, which improves troubleshooting efficiency and reduces downtime. Smart Inspection Positioning. Geographic Information System with wearable device gathers real-time videos and tracks personnel positions to ensure timely rescue when an accident strikes. Smart Maintenance. Enhances workflow digitization, material management, and AR interactions during the maintenance process to improve efficiency. Remote Guidance. Instant communication provides remote assistance through on-site witness. Smart Supervision combines camera and AI technology with real-time monitoring and instant reports for unregulated activities to support workplace hazard control. Automatic doffing system. AI scheduling model enables vertical integration of the production sites, finding the best possible route based on operating conditions. Warehouse Management System, WMS. Combined with varieties of automatic devices through IoT technology, WMS improves efficiency and enhances overall warehouse management processes. AOI Warehouse Utilization Management. Using AOI technology to identify unused or underutilized space and make informed decisions to optimize space allocation. Big data analysis. Automatic sorting and categorization of goods can improve dispatch efficiency and reduce the power consumption of automated retrieval machines. AOI inspection of package seal. Automatic detection of pallet height, followed by automatic unpacking by robotic arms, enables fully automated operations from automated warehousing to shipping. AOI container identification. As the world evolves every day, our unwavering passion for driving innovation and relentless pursuit of excellence will never stop. We will continue to deliver comprehensive solutions to our clients, making complex operation and process simpler and smarter. We are FPC Electronic Division, your best partner on the journey into the Industrial Revolution.